I'm going to show you how to block a merchant on PayPal. So first you will need to go to paypal.com and then sign into your account. Next you want to click on the settings icon here on the top bar. And then from this bar on the top here, you want to switch to the payment tab by clicking on payments here. And then you should click on automatic payments or manage automatic payments. Just click on it. Now on the left side panel, you should see automatic payments, and then you can show the active payments or merchants. And then you can basically look for the merchant that you want to block. You can also show inactive and switch to active and click on see more to see everything. Once you've picked your merchant, just click on it right here. And you should see a cancel button on the right side. You can simply just click on the cancel button right here and confirm it to cancel to block the merchant. And just click on cancel automatic payments here. And once you've clicked on it, it should be canceled or blocked. And that's pretty much it for this video. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and see you on the next one.